Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just a simple, easy way that you can cook parsnips in the air fryer this Christmas. I have got 3 containers of the parsnips from M&S, and they're brilliant for throwing in together in the air fryer. It saves you peeling and slicing them. They're already prepped, and then they're just perfect for serving this Christmas. So let me show you how it's done. So you can go honey or you can go plain, it's totally up to you. These come with the honey mustard containers, but you can also use your own honey or just dismiss it. So let's get the air fryer basket out first. I'm using the Cosori air fryer for this because I just find it's just a great square sized air fryer. Between myself and our readers, we often discuss it and say that the best air fryer is the Philips, but the Cosori is a close second for having similar cook times, and it's just brilliant as an all-rounder. So let's pack one out. Pack 2. Oh, you do get a good portion here of parsnips. I'm a parsnips person. You know, some people love them, some people hate them. I would choose them over roast potatoes. That's how much I love a parsnip. So discarding the butter for now. And then add them all in. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give them a good spray with some olive oil, because you don't want dry parsnips. There's nothing worse than dry. Give them a good shaking and let's get them cooking. So we're going to start low, because the thing about parsnips is you don't want them drying out. So we're going to go with 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time 18 minutes. And then press start. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our parsnips so far? Oh, wow, look at those beauties. Don't they look fantastic? So now it's, do you want honey on them or don't you want honey on them? If you don't, just carry on cooking them with the time and temp that I give you. If you do, just follow my instructions now for adding the honey. So, mixing bowl. A little bit of olive oil, because it helps it mix well. Salt. Pepper. Dried thyme. And, of course, the honey. And then add plenty of honey. And then you want a spoon to mix it all together. So, big mix in the bowl. And then you want to be adding in your parsnips. So grabbing your parsnips from your air fryer. Our parsnips are already fork tender, so what you're doing at this point is just adding the honey glaze to them. So sleeves up. Get your hands in there, give it all a really good mix. Because these are the M&S parsnips, they already have some seasoning on them, so I haven't added that much more to it. I'm just mainly getting the honey on them. And then I can feel the stickiness of the honey now. So if you look there, that's what they're like. So they're perfect now to be going back into the air fryer. So moving your air fryer back into the position it was in, and then adding in your honey parsnips back in. I'm just spreading them out and making sure they've got a good coating. And now that they have, I can wipe my hands and we can get the air fryer back on. And then once you've wiped your hands, time for it to go back on. I mean, oh, look at those. And then we're going with 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 6 minutes, and then press start, and then we can check on them and see how they're doing. And we've beeped. So shall we check on the honey parsnips so far? So now we're going to give them a shake and we're going to put them back on. So this is what they look like so far. So they're getting some colour to them. So give it a good shaking. And then we're going to rinse and repeat. So 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, another 6 minutes, and press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on those parsnips and see how they're doing? Oh wow, look at those parsnips, and just think that's not just parsnips, that is M&S parsnips. Oh, and just look at how lovely they look. Oh, I'm in love. So if you ever thought about it, then yes, you can do honey roasted parsnips in the air fryer, much quicker than in the oven, and they're just absolutely amazing. So then, oh wow, look at those. Having the serving dish on already. But I remember my home economics teacher telling me, never bother with the ready meals because you don't get much of a portion. That was the lesson she had taught us all, even though they were okay in taste. And you think about this, this is 3 portions of the parsnips. So just remember that, depending on how many people you are actually feeding. Wow, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? Brilliant. I can't believe how good they look. Just think, the parsnips are already prepared, and look at them. I would say the only thing to really think about is that you give your air fryer a shake a couple of times, otherwise you just end up with some very well coloured honey parsnips at the top and those at the bottom not looking so good. So just give it a couple of shakes. And I find 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit is the perfect temperature if you want that honey glazed carrot look. But if you just want regular parsnips and you're not adding the honey, 180 Celsius is also good for them. But just have to look at them again. That they look brilliant. So, Merry Christmas from Sam and Dom, and we hope you enjoyed this parsnips recipe. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.